Welcome to DriveBC. In this quick tutorial, you'll learn how to use the site to plan a specific trip. Planning your trip not only shows you the best way to get to your destination, it focuses the information on anything that could impact travel for your trip. You begin by providing your start location. To save time, you can choose to share your current location by pressing My Location and set that as your starting point. This helps center the map around where you are. If you are starting from somewhere else, you can always type that location into the search box to set a different starting location. After you've started typing, DriveBC's Type Ahead search will show you a list of matching locations right below the search box. Once you've entered your starting point and destination, your trip will automatically appear on the map along with an alternate route option if available, to help you choose the best path. This will also hide anything not on your chosen route, so you'll only see traffic impacts that are on the route that you've selected. To change between either alternate route, click on the route option from the side panel or directly on the map. To explore a specific area on the map, use the plus and minus buttons or scroll wheel on your mouse to zoom in and out. You can also click and drag to move around the map to an area that interests you. For each route option, you'll see a summary of how many potential traffic impacts on your route. Traffic impacts can be closures, major delays, delays of 30 minutes or more, minor delays, delays of up to 30 minutes, road condition reports, chain-ups that are in effect if you're a commercial truck driver, inland ferries, and border crossings, each clearly labeled with icons. Any advisories along the way? They're listed too, so nothing catches you off guard. To step through a list of everything that might affect your trip, click View Details on your chosen route. You'll see a full list of these traffic impacts along the way. In addition to these traffic impacts, you can customize what appears on your map. Navigate to the top right corner of the map, where you'll find the Map Layers panel. This panel gives you an ability to show or hide additional features to be displayed on the map, whether it's highway cameras, weather conditions, rest stops, and so on. Simply toggle each feature on or off to show the information that matters to you. It's a flexible way to tailor the map to your needs, especially if you're planning a specific route or just want a clearer view. Each map layer has its own icon, and you'll see these icons directly on the map. If you're ever unsure what they mean, just click the legend for a clear explanation. And if you want more details about something on the map, simply click the icon. It'll open a sidebar with details on everything you need to know. If you'd like to share a specific highway camera, or even your trip with someone, tap the share icon. It's a quick and easy way to send your trip details. Sharing options may vary slightly depending on your device or browser. And when you're ready to explore a different route, click on Route Details, then Routes, to head back to your route list. If you prefer a list of highway cameras or a list of the delays over the map, you can navigate to those from the top navigation bar. Your route will continue to narrow down those lists to only those that appear on your route. So when you check those pages, you'll only see the updates that matter to your drive, shown in the order you'll encounter them on the road. After exploring the features for a few minutes, you may see a small survey box appear near the bottom of your screen. It's just a quick way for us to hear from you. You can enter your email, and we'll send you a super short survey about your visit, or if now's not the time, you can easily dismiss it. Either way, your feedback helps us make DriveBC even better. Now you've planned your trip, explored your options, and tailored the map to your trip. Safe travels. And remember to always check DriveBC before you go.